Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dinesh Tatia, and in the last lectures we have seen the for loops, while loops. We have seen the concept of loop, how it is useful. Okay, so now we will see one more topic, that is palindrome. Okay, what we will see, palindrome. Okay, now what is palindrome? Palindrome क्या होता है? Okay, suppose there is a string level, lever, and if I do the reverse of level, it is level only. Okay, so this is palindrome. Okay, ये क्या है? ये है palindrome. So the reverse of the specific string is matches, okay, to each other, means the reverse of level is level only. So if these both are matched to each other, then it is a palindrome. Okay, now for an example, if we can see that there is a number 4321, it is a palindrome or not, we have to find. Okay, for an example, so here we can use okay, so like that we can find out the palindrome or not. This is a palindrome. Okay, now we have to make make the code in which we will find the given value is palindrome or not. Okay, so how can we find out the given value is palindrome or not? Okay, so suppose let me take some few examples. I will make a code for number. Actually I will make a palindrome for number first, then we will look into the string also, but first we will make a number, because number is good to find out that the given number is palindrome or not. Okay, so let's begin. Just a second, let me make a new file. Okay, let me make some new file. Okay, make a new file of palindrome. Okay, suppose we can ask the user a number. Okay, user integer input, enter the number. Okay, now we have to find the given number is palindrome or not. Okay, this is our this is what we have to find out. Okay, now what I will do, I will now one more thing I have to let you know. Suppose it's a 10 for an example. So okay, so now here you can see that how can we find out the number is a palindrome or not. Let me take you here also, so that I will make the concept clear first. Okay, suppose there is a number called 4321. Okay, suppose this is a number example. I am taking just an example. Okay, now how now I have to find this is a palindrome or not. How can we find out that? If 1 2 3 4, if I reverse it, okay, 4321, if I reverse it, its reverse is 1 2 3 4. If both are equal, then it is a palindrome. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to take out this value, this one by one I have to take out this value and put it here. Okay, see, I cannot just make it reverse. I have to take out one by one. Okay, first I will take one value, then 2 value, 3 and 4 number. Okay, so like that I will reverse this number. Okay, now how can I reverse the number? So again we will use the concept of division. How can division is helpful? Let me show you the example. Suppose I have 4321. Okay, if I divide this number by 10, okay, if I divide this number by 10, then 432, okay, into 10 is 4320 is 1. Okay, so the remainder is the first digit, is the last digit. Okay, so the remainder is the last digit of the given number. Okay, 4321. So this one remainder, so my remainder is the last digit of the given number. Okay, because whenever I do the division by 10, so 4320, here it's 1, and see this 432 and this quotient. Okay, this quotient is the remaining part. This quotient is the remaining part of the given number. Okay, so now in the first iteration, if I use the loop, suppose I have used the for loop. For an example, I am using the for loop. So in the first iteration, okay, when I will do 4321 divided by 10 in first time, so 432 and 4320 and 1. Okay, so I will get my first digit, okay, after reversing, and this 432 is the remaining part. Now in the second iteration, this is for the first iteration. Okay, now I will go for the second iteration. Okay, now for the second iteration, I will take quotient 432 and I will again divide by 10. So what it will be? 43 into 10 is 430. Okay, now remainder is 2 and 43. So now my second value of 4321, so my second value is the remainder. Okay, so I will take one variable. Suppose for example I will take REV, means reverse. Okay, just a second. Suppose I will take a variable called reverse, REVRSE. Reverse is equal to, and I will update this value. So first I will update 1, then I will update 2. Okay, then the quotient, see the quotient is the remaining 2 values. Now for the third iteration, I will use 43 by 10. So 4 is 43 remainder, and again this reverse 4 and this 4. I will use this quotient. See, if it is not divisible by 4, then this quotient I will use as it is, as 4. Okay, so this is how I can reverse the number. So I have to just divide by 10 and I have to use this quotient and remainder. Okay, I have to use this quotient and remainder. Remainder is for my reverse, quotient is for my the next value. Quotient is for my next value. Okay, now we will make a code of it. Hope you have understood the concept of palindrome. How can we find the palindrome in numbering system? Okay, so now we have used the input. Okay, so user has given the input. Now the number is not fixed. Okay, suppose I am giving number 1 to 1, yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I can change the numbers. Okay, so in 1 to 1 there are 3 digits. In 1 2 3 4 5 there are 5 digits. So my starting and end, my sequence is not fixed. Understand what I am saying, and understand what I have said in the for loop. In the for loop you need start and end point. Okay, fixed start and end point. But here my start and end points are not fixed because I am changing the value and I am changing the number of digit of that value, like 1 to 1 or 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so if I use the range of 3, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 will give me error because that will be out of range. Understood what I am saying? So here my range is not fixed, so I will use while loop. Okay, I will use while loop. Now I will start from my using while loop. So here is my initialization. Okay, so here is my initialization. Now what I required? I required my reverse value. Oh, okay, I will require my reverse value. So let me change this to the number. So how can we say that this number, this 1 2 3 4, I will make one variable temporary is equals to number, while temporary is greater than 0. Okay, if it is greater than 0, then what will I do? then I will first of all I will find the remainder of that. So remainder is temp module 10. Okay, from which number we are going to divide? 10. Okay, so 4 3 2 1 divide by 10 and my remainder is 1, so R become 1 here. Okay, now what happened? I want that quotient part. Okay, remember that quotient point. How can we find out the quotient part? Okay, we will find out the quotient part. Hope you have remember when I was teaching you the operators. We will find the quotient part by double divide. Okay, and reverse number is equal to reverse number R into 10. So reverse number is equal to 10 into reverse plus R, and I will make a variable reverse is equal to 0. Okay, perfect. Now I will go for an increment. Now here it is. Okay, print reverse. First of all we will do 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1. See, now I will check the palindrome. Okay, if num is equal to reverse, then print its palindrome, else print it is not palindrome. Okay, so now I will say 1 to 1, it's palindrome. Understood, guys, what happened here? Let me explain you in detail. Snipping tools. This is it's a good tool. Let me first take you. Okay, now let me explain you what happened here. Okay, so what happened here? So first of all we will see the number. So we have taken the number variable 1 2 3 4. Okay, now we have taken a one temporary variable temp is equal to number. Okay, now I have condition, if my temp is greater than 0, my while loop will continue. Now in the while loop, why we are using the loop? Because we want again and again iteration again and again. Now suppose R is equal to temp. What is my value of temp is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 module 10. So what's the output? Output will be 4, because 1 2 3 divided by 10 divided by 1 2 3 4. So here it comes 1 2 3 0 and the remainder is 4. So my remainder is 4. So R is equal to 4 here. This is for the first iteration. Okay, now temp. What is temp? Temp is the number, that is 1 2 3 4. So what I have written, temp is equal to temp module 10. Temp is equal to this quotient. So what this value? So this is for the quotient. So 1 2 3 0 divided by 10 1 2 3. So this is what I will get with double divide here with this. So my value will become 1 2 3. So now why I have used temp is equal to temp divided by this 10, because I have to reuse this value 1 2 3 4. I have to reuse this value, that's why I am using temp is equal to temp. Okay, now I get the remainder, I get the temp value. Now I will get the reverse value. Okay, now this R is not the reverse value. This R is fetching the value one by one. Okay, now what happened that okay, now see, I have divided here at R I have divided. Now so I will get 1 by 1 value 1 2 3 like that. Okay, this is the 1 by 1 value. Now if I have to make that value again, so for that I will multiply by 10. Okay, I will multiply by 10. So reverse is equal to reverse cross 10 plus reverse is equal to reverse 10 plus r. It means, see, I will make a variable reverse is equal to, see here reverse is equal to 0. Sorry. So here we can see reverse is equal to 0. So 10 into 0, 0 plus 1. So my reverse value after first iteration is 1. Okay. Now I will go for the second iteration. For the second iteration, here I am giving you the slash so that you can differentiate. For the second iteration, what will be the our value? Our value is, for second, I will mention here, second iteration my value is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now it goes to the r. R is equal to 1, 2, 3 module 10. It will become 3, and my this temp is become 12, 1, 2. Okay. Now when I goes to reverse, okay, now when I go to reverse is equal to 10 star reverse 10 into reverse plus r. Here my reverse is 1. Okay, that is from the previous value. So 10 into 1, 10 plus what is my remainder? 3. 10 plus 3, 13. Okay, you will get the value of 13. Similarly, now 12 will go. Okay, now this, sorry. Okay, it's not 1, it's 4. Sorry, it's not 1, it's 4. 4. Sorry. 4. This 4. Now again this 12 will go. This 12 will go here, and from the third iteration my r value will be 2. And here it is 1, and my reverse is equal to 10 into, what will happen? What will be my reverse? 10 into 2 plus okay, sorry. It is 43. 10 into 43 plus 2. So 430 plus 2 is equal to 432. Okay. Now you know, now you get it, that how we are reversing the direction, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now you can see that 432 I am getting. Okay. So similarly, for 1, if it is go like that, so we will get 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So hope it is clear now that how we can get the palindrome value. Okay. So this is my palindrome, and if I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is not a palindrome. Okay. So hope you have understood what is palindrome. Okay. Thank you guys.